how to fix support.apple.com/iPhone/restore on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most effective fix for this is to force restart your iPhone. So simply press and release the volume up button and then press and release the volume down button, and then go ahead and press and hold the power button and release only when Apple logo appears, and this will force restart your iPhone as sometimes the screen appears temporarily. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try updating your iPhone using your computer. So connect your iPhone to a computer and then open Finder if you are using a Mac, or open iTunes if you are using Windows. You will then see the option for there is a problem with the iPhone. So tap on the update option you see there and wait for iOS to download and install. It might take up to 15 to 40 minutes. See if that helps, and if not, then you might need to restore your iPhone. So go ahead and restore your iPhone, and if that fails too, then make sure that while restarting or re-importing, you are using a proper working internet connection and a proper wire. So make sure to use original Apple cable, or you can try different USB port, or you can try different computers, since sometimes the hardware could be the issue. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix support.apple.com/iPhone/restore error on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.